Assalamualaikum guys, I hope you're doing pretty great and spending an awesome time with your friends and families. Like me, I'm super excited to share this video, and you're seeing I'm recording this video and explaining everything what was happening throughout this video. Well, today we had sudden plan to go out and to room around our areas where we live, and we had to spend a couple of hours to experience these situations and to get some natural view and to spend some good time with the nature like this one. And for I'm spending with some of my relatives, and they also come with me, and I'm recording this video. And this is a cornfield. It's situated in Prambanan Zilla and Vijayanagar Upazila and Bishnupur Union, and nearer to Bishnupur, it's the village name is Kalasora, which is very much near to India border. And these are a couple of this is the very beautiful scene if you see. And if you see, the sun is about to go, and the darker part and darkest things, the dark will come very soon. And it is now we are making this video in the afternoon, and we are about to experience the evening, and the sun is about to go. So the nature was pretty awesome. And although the place is very near to us, but we didn't go there and didn't see this place before, because we didn't know that these are the most awesome view are available where. Although we came here so many times, but we didn't experience and didn't see this place, this place before. But it was amazing time. It was a really awesome time we spent, and we captured some we took some photos and with our relatives, and we really enjoyed. So go out of your house and spend your quality time with the nature, and you will see so much things, and you will